Most teachers think their resumes are enough, but in 2025, resumes don't win EdTech jobs. Portfolios do. And if your portfolio doesn't show what you can do with AI, you're invisible to the fastest growing sector in education. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your classroom work, lesson plans, projects, data, creativity, into an AI teaching portfolio that lands real opportunities. This is your Deep Dive Saturday, where we turn what you've learned all week into what you can leverage for your next career move. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. Grab your notebook, phone for screenshots. Save this video to your playlist or simply record it. You'll want to save this video. So, let's dive in. If you're thinking, I'm not looking for a new job, pause right there. Here's why you need an AI teaching portfolio, even if you're not job hunting. An AI teaching portfolio isn't just for job seekers. It's for career security. It proves your ability to innovate, adapt, and lead change. The 3 skills most valued by districts, universities, and EdTech employers. In the AI era, credentials show you've learned. Portfolios show you've applied what you've learned. And that's what hiring managers want. Traditional teaching portfolios show lessons and student work. AI teaching portfolios show systems, how you save time, integrate tools, and personalize learning. The first gets you compliments. The second gets you hired. The new hiring landscape in education and EdTech. By 2030, the global EdTech market will surpass $400 billion. That includes digital curriculum developers, learning experience designers, AI literacy coaches, instructional technologists, and professional learning trainers. Every district and college now needs translators, people who can bridge teaching and technology. And that's where you come in. You already understand how people learn. Now, with AI, you can design the future of learning. So your portfolio needs to do 3 things. Showcase your ability to design and deliver AI-enhanced lessons. Demonstrate measurable results. Time saved, engagement improved, outcomes elevated. Prove your adaptability and ethical use of AI in real classrooms. You don't need to start from scratch. You already have what you need. You just need to package it. Here are 4 steps. A step-by-step guide to building your AI teaching portfolio. Step 1. Label it as About Me. Introduce yourself as an educator and innovator. Example: I'm a 7th grade science teacher who designs AI-powered lessons that increase engagement and save 10 hours per week. Use this space to show both your classroom experience and your mindset shift toward AI. If you've taken micro-credentials like IBM AI Fundamentals or Google AI Essentials, list them there. Add your certifications and a short philosophy showing AI as support, not replacement. Step 2. Show your AI integrations. This is your proof section. Choose 3 to 5 projects that display your creativity, time savings, and results. Each project should include, before AI, what you were doing manually. With AI, what tool or prompt did you use? Impact: what changed? Time saved, student engagement, or quality improved? Examples: used ChatGPT to generate differentiated reading passages for 4th graders, reduced prep time by 80%. Implemented Conmido as a guided tutor. Students' math scores rose 17% in 4 weeks. Created parent communication templates with MagicSchool.ai. Responded to emails 3 times faster. Step 3. This section shows you can operationalize your skills. Here's where you list the AI tools and prompts you've mastered, grouped by purpose. AI tools example: lesson design, ChatGPT, Claude, Diffit, Curipod. Grading and feedback, Gradescope, Formative, MagicSchool.ai. Engagement and creativity, Canva Magic Write, Curipod, Padlet AI. Data tracking, Notion AI, Google Sheets plus Gemini. Tutoring and differentiation, Comigo, Grammarly Go, Socratic, MathGPT. Then, include 3 to 5 example prompts, your personal prompt library. Prompt examples: create a project rubric aligned to 7th grade science standards with student-friendly language. Summarize class feedback from 30 survey responses in under 150 words. Generate 5 discussion questions connecting literature themes to social issues. This proves you can communicate with AI effectively, a top skill in 2025. Step 4. This final section closes the loop. Reflect on what you learned from using AI. Show growth, show insight, show leadership. Sample structure: challenge, action, result, reflection. Example: challenge: students disengaged during grammar practice. Action: used Grammarly Go to personalize exercises. Result: 40% improvement in student feedback surveys. Reflection: AI didn't replace my teaching, it made space for more creativity. Add this section with your portfolio summary. Through integrating AI, I've saved over 50 hours per semester, increased student participation by 30%, and mentored colleagues in AI adoption. Always end with metrics: hours saved, participation increased, colleagues mentored. That's measurable impact, the kind EdTech companies pay attention to. Now that you know the 4 steps toward building your teacher's portfolio, here are a few platforms and tools you can use to host your portfolio. You don't need fancy software. Use what's free and accessible. Google Sites, easiest to customize, link lessons, videos, and visuals. Notion, clean, modern design, perfect for showing process and prompts. Canva website builder, drag and drop layout, add screenshots or videos. LinkedIn featured section, upload your best project as a sample. That's recruiter gold. Remember, presentation matters. Treat it like your digital classroom. So far, we've built your portfolio, hosted your job portfolio. Now it's time to land the job you really want, using your AI teaching portfolio. This isn't just about proof, it's about positioning. Here are roles actively hiring in 2025 for educators who can bridge AI and learning. AI Instructional Designer builds AI-enhanced learning paths for schools or EdTech firms, $95,000 to $120,000. Learning Experience Designer, LX Designer, creates data-driven, student-centered courses, $90,000 to $110,000. EdTech Trainer slash AI Coach trains teachers or companies on AI adoption, $75,000 to $105,000. AI Literacy Consultant develops ethical AI programs for schools, $80,000 to $115,000. Curriculum Developer, AI Integration, writes and aligns standards-based AI lessons, $85,000 to $100,000. Bonus tip: add AI before your title on LinkedIn, like AI Educator or AI Curriculum Designer. It improves your visibility by 300% in recruiter searches. Let's quickly discuss ethics. EdTech companies value responsibility. In your portfolio, dedicate a short section to responsible AI use. I prioritize transparency, student privacy, and equity when implementing AI tools in education. If you've taken courses on AI ethics, like IBM's or Microsoft's responsible AI learning paths, list them here. Ethics is your differentiator. It builds trust. Ready to level up? Ready to level up? Here's your 30-day career challenge to turn your portfolio into real opportunities. Week 1. Build your first 3 projects. Lesson, grading, engagement. Week 2. Add reflection plus measurable results to each project. Week 3. Publish your portfolio using Google Sites or Notion. Week 4. Share it publicly, LinkedIn, teacher groups, or AI education forums. Post your progress with hashtag AI Coach Imani. I'll highlight the best examples in next month's episode. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to elevate your voice and impact. Educators who embrace AI aren't being replaced. They're being repositioned for leadership and influence. So build that portfolio. Tell your story. Show your evolution. Because in the AI era, visibility is value. Give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you. Share it with an educator ready to lead the next generation of learning. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow on Strategy Sunday, I'll be answering your AI education FAQs and breaking down new policy updates that every teacher should know. See you tomorrow, where your teaching career meets its next chapter.